Hello everyone. So yesterday, a little bit backstory. Yesterday, I posted this picture in my social media in the YouTube community, and one of the viewer suggested there's a way to update the profiles. So just in case you haven't seen it before, I just wanted to check it out for you. And I asked him to get the link. So thank you, Ruff, for updating the link in the comments. So just I went to check it out. It's this Fuji X weekly blog, and in here I found out that there are a lot of different filters, like different way to customize the Fujifilm profiles. And so since he was talking about the Kodak Portra 160, so I just click and then it opens up another page, and the author was talking about the property of this, like this simulation. And I'm looking through the whole article, and then from here he's listed some of the classic chrome, like the setting customization. So classic chrome as a base, then you do highlight save -2, DR auto, shadow auto, color +1, and reduction -4. As I tried it before, the noise reduction -4 will make the image much sharper. Sharpening -2, grain effect, width, and then color chrome. So you can just try it out and then let it go. Let it try and then see how it goes. White balance, daylight, red +4, blue -5, to more toward a warm tone style. So these are the sample images from the website. I will put the link below. So anyway, thank you for the viewer suggesting the link. And there are a lot of different style. Even the Eterna has a different setting. You can just try them out. Different highlight setting. Just try it out and then see how it will affect your photography, and how the tone will comes out differently. Just try it out and then let me know also in the comments. And next, I'm gonna just edit a couple of the VSCO edits. So let's get started. This one is from the, I'm gonna edit the same model but different set. So this one are the Fujifilm set, and then the previous one was the Sony set. So let me just do a quick edit using the U3 for this one. I think this one was a 23mm f1.4 lens for this. And then let me reduce the highlight save a little bit more, and then increase the sharpness. Okay, so that's the before and after. So, and then do a 4:5 crop also. Okay, so 4:5 crop on this, and then I'm gonna copy this one, and I think the next two are the same, so I'm gonna paste it here. And this is Fujifilm X-T2 also. So I like the tone in X-T2 better than the X-T3. So just for my personal taste opinion, I like the tone in X-T2 better. But many of you might like the X-T3. So I did a poll in the Instagram. I think more people like the X-T3, but for still image, I still like the X-T2. So, and X-T4 has the same sensor of the Fujifilm X-T3. So I assume the image is very similar rendering with that sensor. And I wish there's another sensor that can have the warmer tone that I like. But for now, the X-T2 is more toward my favorite body throughout all the X body. So this one is the Sony Zeiss 35mm f1.4. So let me increase the sharpness a little bit, reduce the exposure a little bit more, and then 4:5 crop in here. Okay, so save it, and then I'm gonna copy this edit and then paste it to here. Okay. So increase a little bit more of the contrast, so make it darker on the background as well. So slightly reduce the exposure, so that's the before and after with that one. And sometimes you can crop it up a little bit more headroom, just increase up a little bit more headroom as well. And I'm gonna slightly adjust this. Okay, that's good. And the last one, so let's see, let me copy this one and then paste it here. Okay, so this is the last one, and then do a 4:5 crop like this, and then save it. So that's it. That's all my edits, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.